Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to try to attempt to do something with some blueberries. I found a recipe and you use blueberries, you use strawberries, cake mix of any flavor they said. I've got vanilla, and you use 7-Up. You put it in the oven at 350 and you bake it for 45 minutes, and it's supposed to be like a cobbler type thing. I just don't know. So let's just try this recipe together. So we'll just start with the blueberries. It says just to put them in your dish. It says 9 by 12. I think this one is a 8 by 12 because this is all I've got. So there's your blueberries. Now these are some strawberries that I had got a pack and I didn't use them all, and I froze the rest. It says everything needs to be frozen, and just put your strawberries on top of your blueberries. And we're going to use a box of just regular cake mix. This is supposed to be considered a duck cake. And all you're supposed to do is just sprinkle your cake mix over your blueberries and your strawberries. I am going to take and just smooth it out just a little bit. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom, and if you've been watching my channel, you might know that I love my Ninja XL cooker. Well, Tom bought it. Well, the thing gave out, quit working, so I called for them to see if they could send me a part or tell me what was wrong with it. And so they actually sent me another one. Can you believe that? So we're going to try it out and just see if it works as good as the old one did. Now you need 1.5 cups of 7-Up. So we're going to, I don't know exactly how much a bottle is. That's why I would not buy the big bottle, because I figured I would waste it. But now 1.5 cups is like this much being this bottle, so I didn't really need but just one bottle. And it says to just gradually pour over the top. And your oven needs to be at 350. Okay, now I have done what it said do. So we're going to put it in our Ninja at 350 and cook it for 45 minutes. Now it didn't say anything about stirring it up or what, but we shall see. It won't be the first ones we messed up, but we'll just see what it does. Okay, we're going to put it in the Ninja. I've got it on the middle rack, and we've got it set at 350 for 45 minutes. So let's just see what we've got. Well, I've got it in there cooking, and it's got 27 more minutes to cook. It's browning just a little bit. Oh, it looks like it's getting a little puffy. We shall soon see. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Just trying something different. We will see if it is any good. Thank you for watching my channel. Please join, subscribe, and let me know your comments. Well, it is browning just a little bit, but it sure seems like a long ways to go. It's got 17 more minutes. It's got a very good smell, smelling up my kitchen. Well, it has now cooked for 45 minutes. So let's set it out, get it out, and see what we've got. Okay, this is what it looks like. You know, I think I'm going to put it back in there for about maybe 10, let's do 10 more minutes and let it get a little bit browner. Now I've set it for 10 minutes and I'm just going to let it cook for 10 more minutes and let it get just a little bit browner. But it has a good smell to it. It looks good. I just think it needs to be a little bit browner. And again, around the house with Kay and Tom. And this is nothing but blueberries, strawberries, a box of cake mix, and a cup and a half of 7-Up. And I did take a little bit of more 7-Up and pour it over some of the cake mix that I didn't put the 7-Up either thin enough or something other, but I wanted everything to look wet on top. So I'll check again in just a few minutes. Okay, the extra 10 minutes I put on it has just ended, so we're going to take it out and set it over here and see what we've got. Well, what do you think? How do you think that turned out? It smells good, it looks good, and like I said, it is nothing but a package of blueberries, frozen. I had some strawberries that were frozen, and a box of vanilla cake mix, and a cup and a half of 7-Up. Now I did take a little bit more 7-Up and pour on some of these places that when I was pouring it, all you were supposed to do is just pour it on top of it, and I had missed those spots. But all you had to do was put the the blueberries down, your strawberries, your cake mix, spread it out, put your 7-Up on top of it, and put it in the oven. And it says to cook it at 350 for 45 minutes. And I did wind up cooking this for 55 because I put it back in the stove and cooked it for an extra 10 minutes. We're going to try it and see what we've got. And again, around the house with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe. Come back to see me. Okay, I have put some in my bowl. Considering I don't really like blueberries, this is not bad at all. I think when it cools off just a little bit, I have some Cool Whip that I'm going to put on top of it. Or you can put ice cream, and I think you'll have a very good dessert. Not bad at all. Give me your comments, and I will just talk with you another time. Bye.